Okay, piece by piece, we're going to build a picture for St. Patrick's Day for the group. So how I start is looking for a background for the picture. So just type in, you can do like background, um, okay, background for St. Patrick's Day. You can also put in wallpaper for St. Patrick's Day. Either one of those, and you're going to come up with something like this. So just open it up. You want something really big. This is 1920 by 1080. So that's going to be, as far as the paper size itself, that is going to be fine for the size of what we need for a group picture. So as you go through this, you can see all kinds of different things. Another thing that you can also add into anything that you're looking for is NHD, high definition. And that is going to give you some really brilliant colors. See the difference? I'm going to go back and show you what the other is. Look at this here and look at this here. This is I mean, it's pretty. It really is. And I would use, any of these. But when you go into an HD, the colors are just more vibrant, more clear, more crisp, something like that. So again, we're looking for some type of a background for our picture for the group. So you can just kind of scan through here. This is kind of pretty. It gives you some places to put some words, Happy St. Patrick's, or put something on there. So just strictly for a background, let's do, it's kind of pretty also. Let's do something different. Let's do this. The four-leaf clover here. It's 1920 by 1080 wallpaper, and it is in HD. See over here? So you're going to right-click it. You're going to save image as, and I'm going to put it in pictures. I have mine in all kinds of different areas. Like here's backgrounds, here's Bubble Witch Saga pictures, here's trophies, here's winning pictures, Christmas. I just have them categorized in a different way, but we're going to go ahead and do ours in a background like this. And excuse me, you can do, I'm just going to put St. Patty's wallpaper in HD. And of course, you're going to save it as a JPEG. And then all you do is save it. Okay? And again, you can go through here if you want to view more of this person, this area, you can view more over here. It'll take you to a different page, and you can keep just going through and finding things. Sometimes I'll pick up 2 or 3 different ones because I think that I'm going to like something, but then when I start working with it, it's not going to work. So anything that you can find, then just save it to your computer. And if you don't use it now, you'll probably use it sometime later on. Okay, so we have that. The next thing we're going to look for is transparencies, something to go that we're going to place in here. For instance, let's just Google, see, image of St. Patrick's. How about Happy St. Patrick's Day? And we want to put in here a transparent. Okay, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. Okay, here's some right here. What I'm looking for is something that I can take Happy St. Patrick's Day and I'm going to place it on top of the wallpaper that I just saved. So if you click on this is not a transparency. Let me find one and I'll show you the difference. See, this has a white background. Let's try, just because you asked for something doesn't mean you're going to get it, so you have to just keep looking. This is not a transparency. Let's try, we'll hit something in just a minute. That is not a transparency. How about this, St. Patty's Day? This is actually a GIF, but any GIF you can use because see all these little blocks in the background? If I save this, I would be able to take this Happy St. Patty's Day and plop it anywhere you want, and all these blocks are telling me it does not have a background. All you're going to see is this and these clovers. Clovers won't be moving like this, but that's all you're going to be able to see. Let's see what else we can find that I like. That's kind of cute. Okay, this is also a transparency because see all these, the blocks? Again, that means that there is not a background. All you're going to see is this Happy St. Patrick's Day with the clover right here. So what you're going to do, say you want to save this. You're going to right click, save image as, and we're going to put this in holiday. Where's my holidays? Right here. I'm going to put it in holidays. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to name it, and I'm going to put Happy St. Patrick's Day with clover, and I'm going to put in here transparent because when I go looking for something, I will know that it's a transparent. When you have a transparent, you have to save it in a PNG file. If you saved it as a JPEG, it would have a background, a white background. You have to save it as a PNG. So we're going to save that. Let's see if we can find something else just to show you again. How about, let's try this one down here. Nope, you don't have the little squares, so it's not St. Patrick's. Let's try this. Nope. And we'll try that. Okay, it has all these squares, and so that means it is a transparent. So it's Happy St. Patrick's Day, and all you have to do is right click, save image as, need to title it, and I'm going to save it in my holidays and put in here Happy St. Pat's Day, dark green, transparent. Again, I'm going to save it as a PNG file and hit save. So that's all you do for your background, and then looking for transparent, that's all you do for that.